is up, guys? So it is currently about 10 o'clock right now, and I just got to my buddy's house. I am down in Tucson, so if you guys don't know, this is where the University of Arizona is, and this is originally where I had started my phone flipping career. So pretty excited to be back, and I actually was going to come tonight, but I figured I could just make a day out of it, come with my buddy. I got him in the phone flipping too, so I figured I'd shoot a whole day of us flipping phones together. We're going to be grinding all day. I don't exactly know what's going to be going on. We'll throw in a little fun there too, but with that said, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Why do you say that?
Well, because that looks like the guy I talked to.
Oh.
He's with an older lady. So maybe.
A few moments later.
A chick.
Where's the racks? 180 bucks. Oh. Cash money buckets.
Cash money buckets.
Now that's a phone flip. Hey, what is up, guys? So it is currently Thursday, July 5th right now, and it is currently, what is the time? It's about 10:30 in the morning. I ended up waking up super early this morning, around 5:30, just because I went to bed super early yesterday. Just had a long day. Hope you guys had a great 4th of July. So we had fun, but now we're back to business. So I ended up this entire morning, I didn't really do anything with phones. I put up my ads and everything like that, but I didn't do much back-end work with phones. I pretty much tried something a little bit different. As you guys know, I'm trying to always improve like the quality of these vlogs or in terms of these videos and stuff like that. So I was actually working with my editing software, which I use Final Cut Pro on my Mac computer, installing all these new plugins, getting new effects, new transitions, just stuff like that to make these videos more appealing for you guys and just create better vibes for everybody. So with that said, though, I just got back from a phone meetup. Ended up being an iPhone 8. As you can see here, it did miss it doesn't have the SIM card tray slot, but it is cracked on the front, not on the back, so I'm still gonna make money off of it. So I ended up picking it up for $25, simply because it did have an iCloud on it, and you guys know, I pretty much just use these for parts, so I basically do that if I ever want to try to get into the fixing business, or in this case, I'm just going to sell to my private buyer. I should make about 80 bucks after everything with it. I didn't appraise it. This was my mistake, but I didn't check that there was no SIM card slot on it. Because it's already iCloud locked, I just make sure the condition of the phone. Otherwise, pretty much just handed her the money. So that might take 5 bucks off of it. So it should be around 80 bucks overall for that. My mistake, but I definitely won't be making that again. So for the rest of the day, I'm hoping just to pretty much just make up for what I've missed the past 2 days. And sorry for missing these vlogs, honestly. I just didn't have any content that I felt you guys would enjoy. So definitely stick around for the rest of the vlog. At the end, I do have something cool I really want to talk about, so definitely with that said, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey, what is up, guys? So it is currently about 2 o'clock right now. Still a lot of time left to do some productive work for the day, but I ended up just getting back from a phone meetup. Let me get the phone right here. So a little bit backstory on it. So the gentleman, he ended up listing it for $200. It was an iPhone 8 Plus. 64 gigabyte Sprint, so obviously just bad ESN, and then it had a cracked back. No cracked screen. The screen has a screen protector on it as well, which does add a little bit of value, and obviously I see why they had put that screen protector on there. But so it was listed for 200. I had shot an offer for 150. Even at 200, I'd make a little bit money on it, but I thought 150 because it's not aggressive at all, and I could have gone lower, but I didn't want him to just see have an offer on him where he would just ignore, because a lot of people, when they don't in a sense respect the offer, they will just simply ignore it, or they'll send you a hate message, whatever it is. So I didn't really want to lose him, so I gave a pretty good price for it, and I got there, and for me, Sprint is always bad ESN, but I didn't let him know anything like that. I didn't know Sprint was less value or anything like that. So I ended up getting there. Super nice guy. Everything checked out on the phone. Camera, sounds, buzzing, like no passcode, iCloud locker, nothing like that. So I ended up putting it through ting.com. If you guys have a Sprint phone and want to see if it is paid off or it hasn't been paid off, so it hasn't reached financial eligibility, just go to ting.com, or you can type into Google Ting IMEI, and that's basically the Sprint checker. There's like AT&T if you want to do those. It's like AT&T Unlock, T-Mobile IMEI. Just kind of type in what you want through Google and you'll find those pages out there. But that's really how I check if a phone is paid off or not. And ended up saying, let me see if I still have it up. Let's see here. Yeah, sorry, this phone cannot be I don't know if you guys see it. It's just a big red message, and you know that it can't be activated. If it didn't, it should say, congratulations, your device can be activated, and then it has like these 3 bubbles, like 2G, 3G, 4G under it. Pretty easy to know. So I ended up just saying, hey, everything's really good with the phone. The only thing is it is not paid off, which is perfectly fine. I can still buy it from you, but with that said, I just have to go to the Sprint store and go pay it off. And that's just kind of one thing that I usually say, when in reality I'm not going to pay it off. I'm just going to sell it as a bad ESN phone, even though it's already going to be praised as bad ESN because it's Sprint. He just said, yeah, that's fine, and so literally had no problem with it. Gave him a $100 bill, and now we're here and I have this phone. So I should make closer to about $200 on the phone. Because I see with fees, I should sell it for around $300, maybe even some change after that. So really good. So basically, I made about 80 bucks on that phone this morning, the iPhone 8, which did have an iCloud lock on it, and then this one about 200. So we're gonna try to hit a 300 plus day. Hopefully, I can buy another phone today. If not, totally understandable. But I'm gonna be trying to do some other things today that aren't really related to phone flipping. And I'm also working on that course right now. I mean, the amount of content that I've already started to film for it is crazy. Like the amount of videos, advanced knowledge, beginner knowledge, just kind of daily, just kind of in-depth tips is truly incredible. Things I've never really released on my YouTube channel, so definitely get excited for that. Should be coming out in the next month or two, and I'm only gonna have a few people in there. So again, I don't really know what I'm gonna do right now. I do have a couple things I want to do that I can't really share yet on this channel, which I will in the future. But with that said, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey, what is up, guys? So it is currently about 4 o'clock right now. Just winding down the day a little bit, and so I was just chilling at home and I decided to go through OfferUp again, and I found another phone. So this is the 3rd phone of the day. Super happy, as you can tell by the smile on my face, but I'm even more happy because I'm going to be making a decent amount of profit on it. Probably between $200 to $300, probably closer to $300 on the phone. So ended up picking up an S9 Plus, brand new. Basically the seal was just broken and everything. Literally no accounts on it or anything like that. And the guy listed it for $400, and I shot him a $300 offer. He took it on the spot, just knowing it's at $400, and it was a Sprint phone. Just knowing it was $400. Brand new phone like that costs like $800. You know it's not reach financial eligibility. In other words, it's basically just financed. Nobody would just buy it and sell it like that. These brand new phones, it's pretty schemy, but definitely he wanted to get rid of it. And so I ended up shooting $300, took it, and then I just got here, and it was literally probably like a 2-minute meetup, super quick. I knew it was gonna be obviously not financed. I knew it was gonna be financed, so I acted shocked, showing him the actual, bringing up the ting.com, as I mentioned in today's earlier video, because it was a Sprint phone. So I just showed him it wasn't paid off, and he just said, I don't know, it's my wife's. And I said, you mind just calling her real quick? And so obviously we were going into at $300, and I shot a $200 offer, so lowballing it. I didn't think he would take it, just to see. I could probably go up to $250, because I was already making like probably 150, 200 bucks on it, just at the $300 price. So I just lowballed it, obviously. You guys know basic strategy. Ended up just calling her wife, and she sounded super chill about it, and he said sure. So I just gave 200 bucks for a brand new S9 Plus Sprint. So I'm gonna be making a ton of money on that. Really cool. Today I already made around 280 bucks. So I mean, 300. This could be potentially, probably about a $500 a day. Super excited. Didn't put in a lot of work, honestly. I've been working on other things throughout the day. Just happened to be on OfferUp. So as I get, one thing I wanted to just show you guys is the power of the low ball. A lot of you guys have come at me saying like, hey, like why would you do that? You're kind of being a douchebag, kind of just saying that and just giving people low ball offers, when in reality, I mean, these people are just taking this money, probably just buying a new one for $100 and then just pocketing the extra $100 cash. So they're trying to scheme us, but in reality, we know that. We're lowballing them. We're giving them a bad ESN price. So there's no reason for some of you to think, like, I know some of you have got down because of people being like no to lowball offers. People will give you bad like vibes. People will swear at you, whatever. But it just takes the right person. I mean, it's all a numbers game. You just have to reach out to as many people as you can. In this case, I knew these people were a little bit more vulnerable. Took the 300. I knew it was going to be bad ESN, as I explained in the reasons before. So I just didn't say that before. And then when I got to the meetup, I just showed them, put in the IMEI in a ting.com. Since it wasn't paid off, I just said I know I can buy it. I just simply have to go and like pay off the bill, which is probably a couple $100. But in reality, we're just going to eBay to sell this as bad ESN Sprint anyway. So super excited about the $500 profit that I should be getting today. With that said, probably gonna go get dinner in a little bit. Picked up a Powerade at McDonald's because super thirsty, a little bit dehydrated. So I mean, it's like, look at this. Look how crazy this is. 116 degrees. Are you kidding me? So I'm just trying to stay cool out here, but rest of the day is probably gonna be pretty chill. I'm probably gonna do some fun editing with this video, so I'll show you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey, what is up, guys? So it is currently about 8:45 right now, and I'm here pretty much just wrapping up the video. But before we end it, just kind of updating you guys. Again, today was a super good day for me. I mean, it's basically a $500 profit day for me. I don't know the exact number because I didn't end up getting around to listing the S9 Plus and my buyer for the iPhone 8 that I purchased, iCloud locked one. He's actually out of town, so I have to wait till Saturday, which is only 2 days away, to invoice him for that. So I'm not going to record it or anything like that. I just have a sticky note on it. Just so I know how much I paid for it and just remember the specs of it. But overall, again, just about probably about 15 to 20 minutes ago, my iPhone 8 Plus 64 gigabyte, it was gold color Sprint, ended up selling on eBay. I'll show you the actual thing right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it just says ship now, which basically just means that I have to, that means it's already paid. So I'm pretty excited about that. I ended up making, after fees, exactly about $100. It was like $100 and some change. So super excited about that, getting that out of my inventory. So I just recorded it on the books. And this month, obviously, it's a little bit slow because I was gone for 2 days, but now we're out here and we're just going to be grinding for the next couple of days. And I mean, today was a great start for the next coming, or for pretty much for the rest of the month, with a $500 day. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I'm ending it a little bit earlier than I normally do, simply because I want to put in testing my editing skills a little bit. Today, as you guys can see, I tried some new transition, different effects, different color schemes for the video, just trying new things because I'm always trying to improve my channel, make it more appealing for you guys. I mean, these videos are kind of long a lot of the time, so for you to be able to stick around, I obviously want more of you to be able to make it to this far in the video. But if you are here, you made it to this far in the video, I appreciate you so much. It truly means the world to me. And if you enjoyed today's video and you haven't liked it already, definitely give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not in the family, hit that little subscription button down below. We hit 700 subscribers, which I'm super excited about. Pretty much every 100 subscribers, I'm getting there faster than the next, which just means that my channel isn't just growing, but it's growing at a faster rate, which means it's getting more attention on YouTube. So that really means the world to me. That, I mean, looking back at the beginning and looking now, it's truly come so far. I mean, the video quality, the content, just me putting myself out there, just my confidence with these videos is truly breathtaking. You can see I have all those videos in the beginning up if you haven't watched them. If you haven't watched them, definitely go check them out. It's pretty much just straight knowledge I had out in the beginning, and it's just a lot of people just didn't reach. So a lot of you haven't watched those videos. Check and see how far I've come. I mean, if you don't last more than 15 seconds, I don't blame you, because they are a little bit cringy. But again, I really appreciate you if you made it to this far in the video. Sorry about not uploading, but I'm going to be trying every day as best as possible. So with that said, thanks again. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.